Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers for supporting me. Today I have taken a Maths Olympiad challenge. The question is from algebra inequality. If m greater than 0, prove that m plus 4 over m square greater than equals to 3. So this seems a very simple question. Let's proceed. Now to prove m plus 4 over m square greater than equals to 3. This is same as we have to prove m plus 4 over m square minus 3 greater than equals to 0. It is the same meaning. Now coming to left hand side, if I simplify to prove m cube plus 4 minus 3m square over m square is greater than equals to 0. Now since given that m is greater than 0, m square greater than 0, so I can write to prove m cube minus 3m square plus 4 is greater than equals to 0. So this is our question now. Now let's see the LHS. M cube minus 3m square plus 4. I'll write this as your m cube plus 1 plus 3. I splitted 4 as 1 plus 3 minus 3m square. So now m cube plus 1, and here if I take minus 3 common, it will be m square minus 1. Now factorizing m cube plus 1, we know that m plus 1 multiplies m square minus m plus 1, and m square minus 1 can be factorized as m plus 1 into m minus 1. So from both the terms I can take m plus 1 common. So here it will be left m square minus m plus 1 minus 3m plus 1 plus 3. So ultimately that is m plus 1 into m square minus 4m plus 4. Now since given that m plus m is greater than 0, this implies that m plus 1 is also greater than 0, and m square minus 4m plus 4 equals to m minus 2 whole square, which is non-negative. So now the product m plus 1 into m minus 2 whole square is your greater than equals to 0. So we started from m cube plus 4 minus 3m square is greater than 0, or m plus 4m 4 over m square is greater than equals to 3. So hence proved. Thank you for watching.